Hello everyone. In this video we will see a very important command called find, which is sometimes really very useful. This find command, as its name suggests, that it's useful in finding some file inside your system. Like if you know that there is some file with something, you have some hint of its name, but you don't know where that file is and where you can find it, so you can use the command called find. I know one file, that there is some file called data format.txt, I guess, and it's somewhere in my system, but I don't know where it is, so I can find it using this find command. So I give it find, and I know it's somewhere in my user account, so in my home folder. So I just start with the tilde simply means home folder. So I type find tilde, so it will find in the home directory, and the file name is data format.txt. so its name, if you want to type the name, you simply type minus name, and this is the name of this file, and if you type enter, it will start looking for this file. So if I type enter, and it's looking for my file. So let's wait, and it couldn't find that file. So uh, so let's try giving it say, I don't know its full name, so I just gave it equal to, and it's looking for the data format and ending with anything. So the file name which starts with the data format and ends with the start. So it will show the path to all those files. So you can see it's showing the path. So these are the files which starts with the data underscore format and it ends with something else. So we couldn't find any file with data formats .txt, but it showed few files which starts with the data format. Okay, so even here you can make some file, like I make some file. I copy this dcg2 into say dcg test 3, and let's put it inside into the test1 directory. So I just copy it into the test1 directory. You can even check the test1 directory. This dcg test3 exists, and I want to find all the files. Okay, this is our home directory and the contents of our current directory. So if I want to find this dcg3 file in this directory, I know that this file is in this directory, but I don't know where is it exactly. So if you want to find it, and just type find dot, this current directory path, and then minus name. So name of the file is somewhat say we know the beginning, right? dcg test, right? We don't know its full name, so put it star and then enter. So it will show you the directory of these two files which has the prefix of dcg test. So it's sometimes really useful to use this command to find anything, and over that you can use this command to execute another command also. So you find the directory, and if you want to execute something, like if you want to remove this directory, you just type execute rm and the name of this file, and you simply type star and enter, and then now you can check the test1 directory. Those files are gone. So it's this test star files have been removed. So you can do other things also, like you can find some file, like let's just copy this one, copy out IAC to again to the test1 folder, and let's make its name out IAC 1 1 2 3. Okay, So now we have a file. You can check the test1 directory. We have a file called out ISE. We want to find it and we want to copy this file. This time we don't want to remove it, so let's just find this file, and its name is its name is out ISE. Let's suppose that we don't know its full name, so just type out ISE star, and it's always a good idea to check the output of this find before doing any operation over it. So just type find dot minus name and out ISE, and you can find all the files with this name. Okay, so let's just change the name of these files to something new. So just type execute and mv and this file name, and then change it to say out hello. Okay, and then that's all, enter, and now you can see this out ISE here in this our current directory has been changed to out hello. Even in this test1 directory, this again it will just copy this one to one place. Actually it has moved this to the previous one, so that one has been removed. Okay, so that's all for this video. We'll see the other things in the next video. Thank you for watching.